Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is currently the best solar panel for Ecoflow Delta River systems, the Ecoflow 220-watt portable solar panel. If you're looking to enhance your off-grid setup with reliability, portability, and exceptional power conversion, stay tuned. Because this product delivers big on all fronts. Let's start with why this panel stands out. The Ecoflow 220-watt solar panel uses next-generation N-type solar cell technology. This is a big deal. Most panels in the market use P-type cells, but this one steps ahead with N-type cells that push the conversion efficiency up to a staggering 25%. That means you get more energy from the same amount of sunlight, which is a huge plus, especially when you're dealing with limited space or unpredictable weather. Now imagine you're in the wild, camping, trekking, or maybe living that sweet van life. This panel is designed for those moments. It's ultra-portable, weighing just 15.9 pounds, and it folds up neatly, making it incredibly easy to carry and store. No more bulky, awkward equipment. Setting it up is just as smooth. The integrated adjustable kickstand allows you to position the panel at angles ranging from 30 to 60 degrees. Combined with the solar angle guide, this feature helps you capture the maximum sunlight throughout the day, without constantly having to reposition it manually. Durability is another core strength. The entire panel is coated in ETFE. This material is not only rugged but also resistant to UV light, corrosion, and physical wear. It's made to survive rough outdoor conditions. Add to that an IP68 rating, and you've got a solar panel that's both water and dust resistant. Whether you're dealing with rain, dust storms, or muddy conditions, this panel is ready to go. Inside the box, Ecoflow provides everything you need to get started. The 220-watt solar panel, a solar-to-XT60i charging cable to connect to your Ecoflow power station, a protective carrying bag, a quick start guide, safety instructions, and a warranty card. One thing that really impressed us is how well it integrates with Ecoflow's ecosystem. If you're using a Delta or River series power station, this panel is optimized for fast, efficient charging. You're getting a professional-grade solar charging solution without needing to be an engineer to figure it out. As for dimensions, the panel measures about 22.5 inches in length, just 1.3 inches thick when folded, and 23.6 inches in height. It's compact, well-built, and doesn't feel flimsy at all. You can easily slip it into the backseat of your car or secure it to your backpack or RV without any trouble. At the time of recording, the panel is available for around $399, down from the list price of $559. Considering the performance, materials, and portability, it's a solid deal, especially if you factor in the long-term savings from high-efficiency energy capture. In summary, the Ecoflow 220-watt portable solar panel is a top-tier choice for outdoor enthusiasts, van lifers, and anyone serious about going off-grid with reliable power. It's compact, durable, and extremely efficient, making it a perfect match for your Ecoflow Delta or River power station. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more detailed product reviews, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.